All right, what's going on, YouTube? Back again. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but this is what I've been dealing with right now. Yeah, Black Panther is out of commission right now. Had a fucking drunk driver hit my damn car, ran a damn stop sign, and it was me and my two boys in the vehicle. We was going to go get our haircuts done, and this drunk motherfucker hit my damn car, man. And yeah, I was mad as hell, man. Mad as hell. Still actually pissed off. This happened last Wednesday. My car is still drivable, thank God. And normally what I do, I just go get a Dove from the wrecking yard or whatever. You know, put it on, pull all the dents out, get all the scratches out, go and get it repainted, but y'all see the damage. Look at all that shit. I'm driving on my spare tire now. He bent my spare tire where it was all messed up. It ain't messed up bad or nothing, but it got like a little nick on it where it really can't hold no air pressure. Oh, man. I have to go ahead and tape it up. As y'all can see, the door is actually up. It's wide open right here. So I had to get a bag to cover that up. Make sure no rain or nothing don't get in my vehicle. I ain't trying to have no moldy seats. But the officer came, man, and the guy, he know him personally. I know the officer personally. And, you know, they didn't take the guy to jail or, you know, give him no breathalyzer or none of that shit because he was drinking. Because I noticed the damn bottle of Amsterdam, hell, he had half of it drunk. And I could smell the alcohol off his breath, so. It was just real crazy, man, real crazy. The guy, he hair up and ran over there, started talking to the laws and begging them and all that shit. Y'all know how people do when the police come. Just really couldn't let me really get a word in without him even bogarting all the way over there. But the officer, he was understandable. He documented everything, gave me his card, so on and so forth. And I'm in the process getting ready to tear his insurance company ass up because, man, this ain't right. This ain't right at all. And I'm not really liking it at all. But everything go good, and I'll be in the process probably trying to get something else. Hell, I don't know if I'll get the Taurus or the Charger still. I'm still debating out of those two. But I'm going to keep my Vic. You know, bent up, dent up or not, I'm still gonna keep my Vic. Hell, I'll nickel and dime it if it come to go ahead and get it fixed. But this motherfucker right here is here to stay. Yeah, and I don't know if y'all noticed it as well. Yeah, I did end up putting a push bar on there. I was gonna make more videos about that, but I ended up getting a Go Rhino. I couldn't find a Centena nowhere. So I got the Go Rhino. See my exhaust. I ended up, you know, painted a little black. It's a little dirty now. Put the little hockey puck on there and then put those back there, man. Let me go on the other side. This is not all banged up like this. But yeah, there it is. Go Rhino. Oh, got me some new lights. Put new lights in, installed them myself. Let's go working on the spotlight next. But yeah, there y'all go. Y'all can probably kind of see. But yeah, that's what happened, man. Damn guy hit my stuff. Let me show y'all this spare tire right quick. Okay. See, look at that. That little dent right there. Wasn't holding no type of air pressure at all. Yeah, I'm still ticked off about that. Well, that's my Vic, man. Yeah, he dinged me up pretty bad, but I just want to go ahead and give y'all an update, see what's all going on, and this is what I've been dealing with right now. But Unmarked Pursuit Vehicle signing out. Y'all take care.